Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial for the Notary eJournal. In this training video, we will learn about your custom document library. It may help to watch this video a few times and work alongside us as we discuss this topic. Please reach out to our support staff if you have any questions after watching. All users start with the same preset collection of documents in their library, but there are far too many combinations of document types and notarial certificates across the country to keep up with. That is why you have complete control over adding new documents that are specific to your line of work. You can add and delete documents from your library from the side menu, as well as on step 3 in the app. Let's take a closer look. To access your document library from the home page of the app, open the side menu and click Document Types. You will see a list of all of the documents currently in your library. You can remove a document at any time by clicking the red X next to it. To create a new document, click New Type, and then give it a name and select which type of notarial act you want associated with it. Then click Save. You can also search for specific documents by typing in the active search bar. Personalizing your document library will keep you prepared for future signing appointments and notarizations. The document library is also accessed in step 3 of the app when adding which documents are being notarized. Use the plus or minus buttons to add or remove documents to your entry. You can also use the active search bar to find documents quickly. If you need to add a new document type on the fly, you can click New Type and add it to your library on step 3. When you're done selecting which documents you need, click the Add button on the top right and insert them into your entry. Once added, you can add document-level notes to any of them if needed. Now that we have learned how to manage your custom document library, make sure to test it out and get comfortable with it. Remember, your library can have as many documents as you need. Check out some of our other video tutorials to refine your skills with your Notary eJournal. Thank you for joining us.